Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. Alright, so we're looking at page 39, Habits of a Successful Beginner Band Musician, and he banks and brays. And Molly Malone, number 170. All right, and this train. Syncopated notes again. All right, this next one, arpeggios and chords 172. And when we play the chords, I'm going to play the tonic of each chord, but I'm not going to go back and redo the other notes of those chords. Onto the 4 chord. To the 5. So the way that works, B flat is 1, and we go to the 4 chord. B flat, C, D, E flat gives us the 4 chord. Then when we go to the 5 chord, B flat, C, 2, D, E flat for 4, F for 5. You can transpose that into any key. In fact, that's done quite a bit. So here's 173. It says I can do it in common time or cut time. I'm going to play through it twice. I'm going to do it 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4. The second time I'm going to go 1 and a 2 and 1 and a 2 and 1, 2. So we're in cut time now. So that means it's 2-2. Half note gets the beat now. And last on the page, 174, Tchaikovsky Piano Concerto. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.